Hollow eyes, fake smiles, you lost yourself long ago. And now the dark is all you trust.
Every day you wake up dead, a ghost in your own skin. You smile in public, but deep down you know you're drowning in weakness. Addicted to escape, afraid to face the mirror, cause it shows who you really are. You ain't tired, you're hollow. Swallowed your truth, now you follow. Lies are numb, pills and soothe the coward's path, no savage move. You think the pain will pass with time. Time just buries those who whine. You want light, then bleed for flame. Train the soul, not just a frame. Tear yourself down, but will the void. Wake them up, pick up the noise. Feed the head, let death complain destroy. Your own self dies when the rage employs it. Tear yourself down, but will the void. Wake them up, pick up the noise. Feed the head, let death complain destroy. Your own self dies when the rage employs it. You fear silence cause it speaks too loud. Tells you truths you won't allow, but deep inside you know the way. It ain't peace you need, it's war each day. Fight the voice that whispers quit, snap its neck, bury it deep. Only on speaks the truth, only sweat will make you ruthless. Tear yourself down, but will the